What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we're going back to the old school way of doing things. It's just easier. So today we're going to unbox the Lohas LED smart light. Okay, so I picked this up on Amazon. I think it was about 20 quid, give or take. And what's cool about this is when I was looking for it, it came up on Amazon that it's Amazon certified, so it works with the Amazon Echo or the Alexa or whatever you want to call it, like. So that was kind of one of the reasons I wanted to get it, because I want to start pimping out my room a little bit to have a little bit of a smart room going on. And I thought instead of going off and buying some Philips Hue, which is really expensive, I'd show you kind of a cheaper option and we'd see how we get on with this and if it is in fact any good. So on the back of the box we just got smart light, smart life. Change the style using your phone anywhere, anytime. It has different colors and it has a timer. So you get an app on the Google Play Store down there, or the App Store depending on your device. And that's pretty much the box. It's a really small box actually, I gotta say. It's nice. So let's unbox it then. Hopefully this will be an easy box. Okay, so right off the bat, paperwork, more paperwork, and more paperwork. So pretty standard really. This is all you get. A really big light bulb actually. Okay, that's all that comes in the box. The box is completely empty now, so we don't really even need that. But yeah, that's the smart bulb. So let's fire it up and see how we get on. And I'll see you in the comprehensive review. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You already know what we're going to be reviewing, but I just thought we'd start the video like this. Alexa, turn on big light.
Okay.
And we're back. So today is the comprehensive review of the Lohas smart bulb. So I picked this up for about 20 quid odd on Amazon. So I use it as my main light now. And I gotta say I'm kind of digging the whole smart light vibe. I really like it. So as you can see now, sitting here, I have the temperature and the brightness of the light at 25%, because when you put them to 100%, they're very bright. It's like a fluorescent light. Okay, so I connected this to my Amazon Echo and I had a little bit of trouble with it. So I ended up crashing what I thought was my Amazon Echo, but I crashed the household internet in the process of trying to pair everything up. So what happened was, I have 5G Wi-Fi, and our modem emits a 2.5 or 2.4 gigahertz signal and a 5 gigahertz signal. Okay, so some devices connect to 2.4 gigahertz, others will connect to the 5. I have my Amazon Echo on the 5, but the bulb isn't far along enough to connect to the 5. It has to connect to the 2.4 gigahertz. So what I had to do was connect that to the 2.4 gigahertz and then connect the Echo to the 2.5 gigahertz as well to get everything to run smoothly. Okay, so I've got everything running fairly smooth at the moment, and I'm really happy that I do, because this thing is great. So I'll just walk you through the app a little bit with the Lohas. So it's a pretty standard app. So this is like what mine looks like at the moment. So if I turn up my brightness to the max, this is how bright it gets. Turn up my temperature, it just goes vibrant, okay, which is in my opinion is a little bit too bright. I turn it all the way down to 0 on both of them. I get a really dim light. So I find that about 25% on either end is just about enough where it's not kind of irritating. So that's kind of setting up the white on it. Turn it on and off in the middle, which is super handy if you don't have an Amazon Echo. You can change the color. So right now we've got red, green, blue, orange, yellow, so on and so forth, and you know, whatever mood you're in. I don't know why you'd want your room blue. Again, you can change your saturation accordingly and brightness and stuff. to really get the most out of it, or whatever. I like to keep it on the white setting myself because, well, I needed to see. So it also has this scenes setting, so like a nighttime scene. It's not as kind of vibrant. Reading, rainbow, leisure, like loads of them, tons and tons of them. But again, I like to just kind of keep it at its normal whatever. A cool feature that I like about this light bulb is it's got a timer feature. So you just set it, like, you know, you can make a schedule or whatever, and it'll just go off every time you put it on that time. So like, I'm up for work pretty early, so I have to get up early, so I have my Amazon Echo as my alarm, and then 5 minutes later the light goes on, so I can't escape getting up out of bed, which I find is a cool feature. The ease of just going, Alexa, turn off big light.
Okay.
That's just, it's amazing. It's astounding to me. Alexa, turn on big light.
Okay.
See, simple, so simple. The only thing is, you gotta keep the light on, like switched on at the wall. Otherwise, it disconnects from everything, and it takes a minute or two from it being turned on for everything to reconnect, as does everything with the internet, I suppose. There has been, I've renamed my light 3 times now since I started using it, which is a little over a week and a half, I think. Simply because working with the Amazon Echo, some of the voice commands don't register well. So the reason I have it as a big light is, if you're Irish and you're in your sitting room, the big light is just the main light, because I have no lamps in my room or anything. It's just default in my head as a big light. So that's why it's called big light. But it's more to do with the fact that, like, I say big light, you can't misconstrue that to be anything else. Well, I used to have it as Brandon's room, and you know, the Echo would be like, there's no device connected, called the landing room. So it's like, it's trying to find where it'll always register as what it is, you know. So, and I do think that's cool. I really enjoy using this product, I have to say. And yeah, that's all I got on it today. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you're new, subscribe. If you enjoyed it or not, let me know down in the comments below, and let me know on Instagram. It'll come up on the screen somewhere. If there's something you have in mind that you'd like to see me review or whatnot, or email me. It's in the description of the channel. And I'll see you in the next one.